Yo, what's up? It's me. How you doing? Oh, it's probably super dark. It's me. And today, as you can see by the title, if I'm even holding this right, it's probably upside down. We're installing this, alright? Look at this. We're gonna try and open this with the trusty, whatever this is. I think this is a box cutter. But, okay, I don't know where it's opened from. And there it goes. Alright, right here. Made in China. Amazing. Alright, this is from Amazon. Okay, let's see if we can... Alright, that's cut. Cut. Is there any other? Yeah, all the way around. Oh! Right here. You can cut right here. And then... This is really hard, guys. Don't judge me. Alright. I think that's okay. That side's all up. Now I see why these YouTubers that, you know, open boxes with one hand are like, wow, this is a struggle. It is. It just glides across. I love this thing. Look at that. Easy. Alright, let's put that down. Let's see what's inside the boxy box. Yeah? Yeah, mate. Alright. Ooh. This thing looks ugly. I'm kidding. Alright. Let's move this box out. Oh, there's something else in here. What is this? Oh, it's stuff to go with it. Alright, let's go outside, guys. Alright. We're back. And this is it right here. Let's turn this box around. That one has an address on it. And I don't want you guys seeing where I live. Some of you guys may know because you guys know me. Alright. This thing, sorry to be doing this outside, but can we get this open? Got it. Hold on. It's on the floor.
What you say?
Yo, this thing is everything's just literally falling apart. So we got the box here. Well, not box, but the grill outside. And we're gonna be installing it. Let me get the keys. Let's go to the shed and open it. I just suck at everything. It's okay. There it is. Alright, we got it out. It's over there. There's a bit more space now. We could go over there. And there goes that thing. Finally found the piece I need. Alright, or the tools I need to get rid of this right here. I don't know what size, but we'll see. I found size is this one right here. I don't know the exact size, but here it is. We'll just put it inside of here. Doing this one-handed is so ugly. Left, you can see. Not even sure if this is supposed to come out. Alright, that's good. And now for the other side. Easy stuffs, man. Look at that. Ow. Now this. Is this coming off? It's still connected by... Oh, wow. Something down here. Oh, there's 3 at the bottom. 2. Right down here. Oops. Right here. And now this. ugly thing should come off. Look at that. Right here. That was missing this half right here. And now, ew. I hate chrome pieces. Chrome pieces look so ugly. Look at that. And there's actually a Phillips screw right here. Let's see if we can take that out. Alright, we got the 3 Phillips screws from down here. 1, 2, 3, and now there's 2 up here. I think there was 3. I'm not sure because look, this part is missing. So we're gonna go ahead and screw the top piece out. Right here. Hopefully no one's watching. I feel like the neighbor's watching right now. One. Thanks, airplane. And then the second one over here. Can't align it with the camera. And it's gone. This is why you have a dominant hand. And they're out. Should come out. Nope. That's still in there. What about now? Alright, that piece is off of there. Would it go here? Nah. Doesn't look like it. Ew, it's ugly anyway. Alright, finally got those 2 ugly pieces off of there. These are stuck like right here. And now we can install this piece right here. installing the grill. I don't know what this is. Maybe it attaches like somewhere right here. I'm not sure. Here. Oh, they gave us screws. Oh. Hey. I'm not sure if that was supposed to go where I screwed these things in or whatever. We'll see. I found out where it goes. Look. couple of puzzle pieces. One clicks right here. 1 minute. Alright, right here? Maybe? Click. No. Alright. So where does it go? Maybe this one. Either this or this one. It didn't break. Easy. Alright, next one. This one goes over here. And then these go in the back. I was supposed to put these on the back side of the grill before, installing it. So, next part. This thing. I think I might leave it debadged. It looks better debadged. Actually, right? I don't know what I'll do with them. Maybe I'll give them away. You guys want them? Look in the description. Send me a DM. Okay. But if you do want them, tell me. Right, this is the aftermath of putting on the Grille. The Grille. It looks pretty good in my opinion. It was from Amazon. It didn't look like it was gonna fit, but we got it to fit on here pretty nice and stable. Hopefully it doesn't pop off. Pretty sturdy. Got the tools and everything. Actually, oh what? I lost it. Where is it? Guys, I lost it. Uh-oh. Oh, that costed me $7. Wow. But anyway, it's pretty good. All done. These two right here, I don't know what to do with them. This part's still pretty good. It just has a few scratches and all, but it's pretty good. I don't know what to do with it. I'll give that away too. This is complete trash. No need for this. Look, it's all doo-doo. Yeah, that's super bad. All the pieces that came off of it. But yeah, these two, I don't know what to do. Well, this, I don't know what to do with. That, I don't know what to do with. I can just probably put them somewhere. Probably memory of me putting this on, Ooh, what is that? Ew. Ew. What is that? Ew. Well, that's pretty much it. Yep. Hood and some grill install. It's gonna look real nice on the car. It looks kind of better now on the car, but it's not really. I didn't put it in place, so yeah. Still gotta latch it up, make it look all nice. You can still see inside. Look at that. You can still see this stuff right here. I don't know what that is. Is that from like the other grill or something? But you can still see that. What is that? I don't know what it is, but it looks semi-decent now. And you still got this cover under here, but after I replace what I need to replace inside the engine or inside the engine bay, we're Gucci, bro. Get an oil change and we're Gucci. Nice, right? Guys, I lost pieces, bro. Look, I lost the one I was using to take off the grill. I don't even know what size it was. Alright. Oof, that lighting is... Yeah. I'm just gonna hold it by the pop socket because that seems like the best way. But as you guys can see, grill is off. We're all good. And this thing, I didn't notice, but this piece is broken off. Look, right here. Apparently there's supposed to be a piece right here. See, it's on this side. Oof. Focus. Focus on me. You see, this piece is perfectly fine. Oh, this piece is broken, so it's pretty much doo-doo. I'm not sure. Still has all the bottom pieces. But if you guys want it, go ahead and, whatever. That's done. Also got this Audi thingy. I guess this is where you would put the little badge, I guess. I don't want to put a badge unless it's black. This looks pretty cool. But I don't know. I don't have a badge to put in it. So if you guys want this, go ahead, tell me. I'm gonna do a little thingy. And it comes with all this stuff to attach to the grill. Well, except these two. These two were supposed to go on my grill. But I don't know. Maybe one day when I'm not busy, I'll take the grill off or front end again. Front end off again, and then put those on. But successful install. Sorry I couldn't do much, just because my neighbor's kind of there, and you know how awkward it is YouTubing in public. But especially when you're being watched in your own home. But it's whatever. If you guys like the video, make sure to drop a like. I don't know, subscribe if you want to see more. I'm done with the Audi. And peace. Keep it real.